Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Xcode Life offers a comprehensive platform for exploring your genetic data. Their website, found at www.xcodelife.com, provides a wealth of resources and tools to help you understand your DNA. They offer a variety of reports covering areas such as health, wellness, and ancestry. These reports delve into specific genetic predispositions related to various health conditions, offer personalized wellness recommendations based on your genetic makeup, and provide insights into your ancestral origins. Xcode Life prides itself on using cutting-edge scientific research and analysis techniques to provide accurate and reliable results. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy for individuals to navigate and interpret their genetic information. Whether you're a seasoned geneticist or just beginning your DNA exploration journey, Xcode Life provides accessible tools and resources for all levels of understanding. Their reports go beyond simple summaries, providing detailed explanations of the science behind the findings. This allows users to gain a deeper comprehension of their genetic profile and its implications. Further, Xcode Life maintains rigorous privacy standards, ensuring the security and confidentiality of your genetic data. They are committed to empowering individuals with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions about their health and well-being. Explore the fascinating world of your DNA and uncover valuable insights with Xcode Life's comprehensive genetic reporting platform. Visit www.xcodelife.com today to learn more and begin your personalized genetic discovery. Their website offers a wealth of information and allows you to upload your raw DNA data from other providers to receive Xcode Life's detailed analyses. This cross-platform compatibility allows for greater flexibility and expands the potential for genetic discovery. They also offer continuous updates and improvements to their platform, ensuring you always have access to the latest advancements in genetic research and analysis. By utilizing Xcode Life services, you can gain a deeper understanding of your genetic blueprint and empower yourself to make proactive choices for a healthier future.